Hello guys, so in this video we are going to see how to do free courses from of the NPTEL. So first of all, let us see what is the NPTEL. So this is the official website. So NPTEL stands for National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning, which is initiated by 7 IITs. Okay, the names are given here. So I will share this website link on description so that you can read it later. Here some information given about the certification courses. You can do the courses in free of cost, but if you want the certificate, then you have to pay 1000 rupees and you have to prepare for the exam. If you pass an exam, you will get a certificate. Okay, so this is about some criteria as given here. Okay, so let's go on Play Store, search Swayam and download this app. Okay, so the app is installed. Let us open. So this is some information. Best in class instructors, weekly assignments, pro-quoted exams. Okay, easy credit transfers, active local chapters, systematic approach. So we will click on sign in / register. Here you have to select the Google symbol. So it will ask you accounts, Google accounts. So I will select my account. So hereby I registered for the Swayam app. So let's select course catalog, go in engineering. So here are different categories where we can learn different courses, we can join different courses. So let us see about engineering and technology. So as I belong to electrical branch, I'll see a electrical and electronics category. Here are different courses available for the electrical and electronics students. Simply click the courses and you can start learning. Let us click on, I will select a EV. So here a join option, I'll click on join and fill the required form with details like your name, mobile number, select group, age group, gender, pin code. Okay, so this is a formal form, so you can fill it. Okay, I'll try. So here I filled the form. So here, are you part of an Swayam local chapter? If your college is included in the local chapter, then you can select as. If your college is not included, then select as a no. Then select the state. So Maharashtra. College name we have to enter here. Government College of Engineering. Other. Okay. Simply click on go and search your college name like this: Government College of Engineering, Karad. So here it is not available. So click on other and type your college name here as Government College of Engineering, Karad. Okay. So college roll number. Enter your college roll number. Select a degree as BTech. Department. Select your respective department. Student here. So we are at second year. So this is about education details. Click on the update and join. So here we are successfully registered the course EV. So I think week 1 is already done, means week 1 हो चुका है. We are late, so we can cover the week 1 syllabus from here. I think they given assignment as well.